Prayers answered for big twins 65 through 69. Inner primary. So you finished rebuilding that vintage Panhead engine and made it shine again? Or finally found the perfect frame for your early shovel chopper project? And the last piece to go into your Harley puzzle is that beat-up, worn-out inner primary with its visible repair wells, the chain marks, the shaky main shaft bearing seat. Cannonball has produced a limited run of inner primaries for big twins 65 through 69. Sand cast from aluminium alloy and precision machined in Germany, with all the details for an easy and long-lived installation included. All your existing fittings, bolts and anything else can be reused. Should you prefer to have everything in a as new condition, check out our large selection of all parts necessary for installation at www.ag.com.